Hello, Harvest here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with the Waze app on the iOS. So first thing we want to check is that you have the newest version of the app. You go to the Waze right there, here, and you need to check if you have the newest update. If you have the newest version, you have to just the open, but if you have the update, in this place you have the update bar. If you have, like me, the newest version and you still have some issues, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So next way is just go to the settings, go all the way down, go here to the apps, find your Waze app right here, and set every single settings on Fabric, like here Siri, onto the Fabric, search here Fabric, background app refresh on, language doesn't matter, and rest it doesn't matter also. So after this, if you have still some issues, the last way is just you need to go here, remove the app, uninstall, go back to the App Store and just install again. Just reinstall. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.